So guys, the camera started off. What do you? I got my luggage ready. Let's go. Hit the driver. We're gonna take a bus to go to a hotel. And the hotel area. YouTube fans, we are going to be on YouTube. Some highlighters. That's really good. Can you unbuckle me? Can you unbuckle me, Daddy?
Yeah. You're like, if you take too much video, it's gonna waste all your space. So you don't want to take that long videos. They took like 5-10 minute videos.
Well, how much minutes are they?
It's been 3 minutes, but earlier you had a long video.
When?
Okay, you already showed your fans that you landed, right?
No, I said them. I will show when I land and I also get out and I go to my hotel.
Okay.
Because I want to show my fans how the hotel looks.
Like smash that like button and subscribe.
Smash that like button right up there. Let's smash this like button right there and subscribe and hit the bell. So I gotta turn around so I can get to my suitcase. I got to my suitcase. When I do, radioactive. So fans, we are finally at land. Where are they?
They're at Stranger Design. Where?
At Sunny Chichi's house.
What?
Sunny Chi.
Stranger Design.
What oh, God, watch this. Daddy, look. Daddy, see?
Hi.
In the back there.
Oh, email from Sarah Cypher.
Back to me.
What'd you say?
There's some exam that Dylan can take. Probably on an iPad.
Oh.
It's like some executive thing.
Quack.
and Tracy Albright emailed
Why are
us
they
about
out there, but? Mommy, can we stand up?
We already had.
Look, he's showing you his grandson's picture.
Emailed. He has the same haircut you have, Dylan, kind of.
Yeah, that's what he's saying. He looks like him.
I play Roblox too. Look, that sheep, that egg, has sometimes be black. Woo! Back to me, back to Daddy, back to the other people. Woo! Back to me.
Albright back and tell her that we already did with Steph.
Back to Daddy.
And we'll do it.
Back
We're gonna do it
to-
afterwards, right?
Do what afterwards?
We with Miss Jen
With
afterwards.
Miss Jen. Yeah, you can say we already did it with
This one what we
Miss
guys.
Steph.
Jets and
We'll do it with Miss Jen afterwards. And we already did with Miss Jen too. But you know why? Because we emailed. You know why? Because we emailed not through the link, right?
yeah.
Oh, whoa.
All right. Time to get going, guys.
There we go.
You look
Okay, grab
ready?
everything, guys.
This suitcase goes. Guys, we're going. Let's go.
Mila, got everything?
My bag's stuck. My bag's stuck. Help!
I'll help you.
My bag's stuck.
Oh.
Oh,
Mila, you have so many bags. You need all these bags.
I do.
That's why it's going to be hard for you to do your channel right now. And my phone is falling over.
No, I need this. It's a suitcase.
Let me hold it.
Let me hold
How
it.
can you hold everything?
I can.
You're going to fall over. You know, like the bag is weighing more than you.
Hello.
Only, Mila, 1 second. Mila, 1 sec. Did we get everything?
Yes. I did.
Okay, come on.
Let's go. We're going, guys.
Mila, let's help you.
Hey, guys. See that? I can't say that. But let's. My mom is.
Mila, you're just kind of slow. Let me hold this.
So what did you say?
Let's do it the other way. You gotta show your the other so you can see the other way.